Today, my topic for the presentation is Concept of Social Change Theories and Relationship between Social Change and Education. Dear viewers, please watch the entire video. The video will be followed by MCQs based on the presentation. Let us first try to understand. Concept of social change. Social change refers to the significant alteration of social structures, cultural patterns, values, norms, and behaviors over time. It is a dynamic process that reshapes societies and influences individual lives, driven by various factors such as technological advancements, economic development, cultural interactions, and political shifts. Social change can occur gradually or rapidly and may impact one or multiple aspects of society. Characteristics of social change. 1. Universal process. Social change occurs in all societies, though the rate and extent may vary. 2. A dynamic and continuous, it is an ongoing and inevitable process. 3. Varied causes. Changes arise due to multiple factors like technology, culture, or political revolutions. 4. Impact on social institutions. Social change transforms institutions like family, education, religion, and government. 5. A moral nature. It is neither inherently good nor bad, its evaluation depends on societal perspectives. Theories of social change. 1. Evolutionary theory. Proponents Auguste Comte and Herbert Spencer. Key concepts. Societies develop in stages, moving from simple to complex forms. Social change is viewed as a natural and progressive process, similar to biological evolution. Change is gradual, adaptive, and cumulative, leading to the development of advanced societies. Example: the transition from hunter-gatherer societies to agrarian, industrial, and post-industrial societies. Criticism oversimplifies social processes by assuming a linear path of development. Ignores factors like conflict, inequality, and regression. 2. Conflict theory. Proponent Karl Marx. Key concepts. Social change arises from conflicts between different groups in society, particularly between the ruling and oppressed classes. Power struggles over resources, wealth, and status drive societal transformations. Change is often abrupt and revolutionary, aimed at dismantling inequalities. Example: the transition from feudalism to capitalism during the Industrial Revolution. Criticism overemphasizes economic factors and neglects other dimensions of change, such as cultural or technological influences. Fails to account for peaceful and gradual changes in society. 3. Functionalist theory. Proponent Émile Durkheim. Key concepts. Social change is necessary for maintaining societal equilibrium and functionality. Institutions adjust and evolve to meet the changing needs of society. Emphasizes stability and consensus as drivers of change rather than conflict. Example: the expansion of education systems to meet the demands of industrial societies. Criticism underestimates the role of conflict and power struggles in driving change. Often perceived as conservative, focusing on maintaining the status quo. 4. Cyclical theory. Proponents Oswald Spengler, Arnold Toynbee. Key concepts. Societies experience cycles of rise, growth, and decline, akin to the life cycle of living organisms. Civilizations rise to power, achieve a peak, and eventually decline due to internal or external factors. Change is repetitive and inevitable, with no permanent progress. Example: the rise and fall of ancient civilizations like the Roman Empire or the Maya civilization. Criticism overly deterministic and neglects the possibility of human agency to alter societal trajectories. Lacks empirical support for universal cycles of change. Relationship between social change and education. Education and social change are deeply interconnected, with each influencing and shaping the other. Education acts as both a product and a catalyst of social change, while social change necessitates and fosters the evolution of educational systems and practices. Understanding their relationship is essential for addressing societal needs and fostering progress. 1. Education as an agent of social change. Education is a primary driver of social change, equipping individuals with the knowledge, skills, and values needed to transform societies. A. Transmission of knowledge and skills. Education provides the tools necessary for individuals to adapt to new technologies, economic structures, and social norms. It prepares people for participation in modern industries, fostering economic development and societal transformation. Example: the introduction of technical education during the Industrial Revolution enabled people to adapt to mechanized production systems. B. Promotion of social mobility. Education reduces inequalities by offering opportunities for upward mobility. It empowers marginalized groups, enabling them to challenge existing hierarchies and participate more fully in societal progress. Example: increased access to education for women has contributed to gender equality and expanded their roles in society. C. Fostering critical thinking and innovation. Education encourages critical analysis of social norms and systems, enabling individuals to question outdated practices. It nurtures innovation, driving technological advancements and cultural evolution. Example: the global emphasis on STEM education has led to significant technological breakthroughs and societal modernization. 2. Education as a product of social change. Education evolves in response to societal changes, reflecting shifts in values, economic demands, and technological advancements. A. Adaptation to technological advances. Educational systems adjust curricula to include emerging technologies and methods. E-learning and digital education platforms have emerged in response to technological revolutions. Example: the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and coding in modern educational programs. B. Reflecting changing social norms and values. As societies become more inclusive and democratic, education evolves to promote these ideals. Topics like environmental sustainability, human rights, and gender equality are increasingly emphasized. Example: the inclusion of climate change education in school curricula worldwide. C. Addressing economic and labor market needs. Education systems align with economic structures, preparing students for emerging industries. Vocational training programs have been introduced to address specific workforce demands. Example: the growth of vocational training in response to global trends in renewable energy and green technologies. 3. Bidirectional influence, mutual relationship between social change and education. The relationship between social change and education is dynamic and reciprocal. A. Social change influences education. Changes in societal structures and cultural values necessitate reforms in education. Economic and political developments often dictate educational priorities and funding. Example: the expansion of universal primary education as a response to global movements advocating human rights. B. Education drives social change. Progressive educational policies and practices can challenge societal inequalities and foster innovation. Educated individuals advocate for reforms, leading to broader social transformations. Example: the civil rights movement in the United States was significantly driven by educated leaders and activists. Dear viewers, let us solve some important multiple choice questions from the presentation. 1. Social change refers to A. Alteration in individual behavior. B. Changes in cultural, social, and institutional structures. C. Technological improvements only. D. None of the above. Answer B. 2. Which theory emphasizes that social change results from class conflict? A. Evolutionary theory. B. Functionalist theory. C. Conflict theory. D. Cyclical theory. Answer C. 3. According to evolutionary theorists, societies evolve A. Through revolution. B. From simple to complex structures. C. Through class struggle. D. In cyclical patterns. Answer B. 4. The concept of social change as cyclical was proposed by A. Emile Durkheim. B. Oswald Spengler. C. Karl Marx. D. Thorstein Veblen. Answer B. 5. Technological determinism suggests that A. Political systems drive societal changes. B. Technological advancements primarily shape society. C. Social harmony ensures progress. D. Education has no role in change. Answer B. 6. Social change is A. Always positive. B. Always negative. C. Neutral, depending on perspective. D. A rare occurrence. Answer C. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education.